What are you doing, Cody?
If you put your ear to the valve cover of 454, you can hear bald eagle screaming. Yes.
Okay, so it's New Year's.
Alright, welcome back. This engine here has been through a lot. It was a jet boat motor for a while. It originally came out of a 84 C30 dually, the bottom end. Or the crank and the block now, it's all that's left of the dually setup. So, began life in an 84 dually. Got built through a jet boat. That's where the aluminum heads and stuff came in. Went to duct tape drags in an 84 K5 Blazer that actually Vice Garage, old Derek rode in, and Josh from Vague Industries. That was this motor combination right here. Went back in the boat, went to the lake a couple more times, and then it lost a valve. It like ate a valve here, hold on. That was the original flat top out of the dually motor. That is stainless steel Chinesium that came out of these heads. Most expensive stainless steel taco I've ever made. Cool. I do have some video when it floated that valve, so I don't know, insert here. You know, there's a Chinese feather. I said, no fool for you. Well, here lately, it feels like no fun for you. I knew I should have went through this motor. I was like, yeah, it'll last another season, man. Fuck me. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat. This goddamn current keeps turning me sideways. This shit sucks, and I'll tell you what. I wish it didn't grenade. Motherfucking fuck. This shit really sucks. Merrily, 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 merrily. What a motherfuck. That's this rant for the next couple seconds. So, time to tear the intake off. See what's up. It'll hold the beer for now. Oh, in case you're wondering how to remove a big block intake, this is how. Get your distributor out first. Then I'll undo all the bolts. Verify all bolts are out. Aha, now that's done. Step 2, pry bar. Pry bar required. Pop intake. Ooh, God. I caught a glimpse. It's It's like Tinseltown in there. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. You can see some stuff in the intake. I don't know if you can, but there it is. Yeah, let me grab you. Yeah, what? Truck and/or paper towel holder. Slide down here. Okay. Whew. Look at all that. Just where did it come from? Holy shit. That's a pretty bad. Okay, because that was so eventful, now I have to pull the freaking head. Like, holy crap, did you see all that piston and ring and, like, there's a chunk, and there's a chunk. We got piston skirt, and we got ringage. Huh, that's bad. Oh no. Okay. I don't know how to do the time lapse thing, but maybe time lapse thing here, and I'll just record it and see if I can speed it up or whatever. Cause that's bad. What did I do to number 8? It was always cylinder 5 for me. Why did it go to 8 all of a sudden? These are the rockers that are on the motor. They're a roller tip and a pivot ball, which I'll probably be replacing with a full roller. But these rockers are actually pretty damn strong. And they come with an awesome little kit, see? So, that's the kit, right like that. There it is. Kit, I meant holder tray. I'm kind of done. You'll figure this out. That's good for now. Because I'm just really curious about how this side looks. Where's the push rod box? Did you guys see the push rod box? Oh, it's over here. I've done this a few times, as you can tell. So, that side of the motor push rods are good. I'll roll them on the table and everything and check them for straightness later. That's like assembly code man's problem. This is like disassemble. Or Johnny Five's worst nightmare right now. Alright, I gotta find a socket and get them fuckers off. Oh hey, just to show you guys, here's the big breaker bar. And here's the front of the crank. She's dead. I'm just tightening the bolt. Which, you know, that comes in handy because we're going to have to get that out later anyway. Okay. Come on. Morris would be so proud or ashamed. He lectured me a whole bunch too. So don't tell that guy, even though he's really cool. Seems like anyway. You ready? The paper towel dispenser again. Just buy a race truck for a paper towel. Alright, well, since I know this thing is quite kerfuffled anyway, let me find the impact and we'll solve all this head bolt issue. Then we gotta find a 1/2 inch. I need a box. This one will work. It's made in America too. I don't always like cheap crap. Oh my God, I'm impacting out head bolts out of a junk motor. Woo. Okay. Bad boys use chrome sockets. Code man uses chrome drop downs and chrome sockets. Ooh. Okay, that's all the head bolts on this side. Moment of truth, all the head bolts are out. I'm kind of scared. No, I'm not. This is gonna be fun. Who am I kidding? Blowing it up sucked, but this is like dissecting a big block 101. Stuff just fell out and hit my foot. I'm afraid to look. Oh goddamn. Oh wow. Oh. Well, you know, the head's like not even that bad, man. Look at that. Until I show you what is in the fucking cylinder. Freaking. Sorry, Karen. Yeah. Holy crap shit, some water. Well, the heads are good. Alright guys, one of these things is not like the other. That cotton material that had water sit in it for 2 days, it already rusted up. That looks okay. That, you know, Oh, something's missing. Whoa. Well, yeah, more stuff's missing. Hey, look, you know, like, that, you know, that's inside of a water jacket of a big block Chevy. Have you guys ever seen that? Yeah, that was expensive rods with a budget piston. So, run good pistons, guys. I just learned a valuable lesson. So, and before you go detonation, you know, my timing was set to 34 degrees. Plugs looked amazing, besides the one that came out of this hole. So, that equals that. And I think the cam's junk. Pretty sure. Which that sucks, because I got this cam from an old timer, and there's no grind numbers on it, but this thing was freaking amazing. I mean, look at this shit everywhere. Like, That looks like embedded piston material into cam loops. Oh, there's a chunk. Oh, there's another chunk. You know, there's another chunk. Yep. Man, it wiped it. That's a bummer. This cam was amazing. Well, I'll set you guys back up on the stand and I'll pull the other head. Look at this head. This head is actually savable. That's not bad. Now, granted, I'm going to take it to the machine shop because I got a very good machine, or no, Larry's Engine and Marine. Excuse me. They've done these heads once already. Because that cylinder, number 2, in previous life, dropped a valve. So, yeah, these are very good valves, but pretty sure that one's bent. A lot of bit. So, I'm going to tear down this head, but I'm going to set you up on the stand again. So, all right, we're back. Going. Now, children, going. This is what happens when you blow a big block from the coin. And this is not the first one. I just decided to start filming all of this crap because you guys seem to watch this kind of stuff. Alright. So, there's my rockers. And they're nice little holder boxes. Put that away. That's handy dandy guy. I like this box. It's long enough, sits on a china wall. Yay! Hypertexture only good for, you know, don't get them hot and don't let them catch ring to the cylinder. Apparently they come up which I know this, and I put them in it. I should have pulled it apart when I got hot. It's on my own fault. Alright. Back to the brake bar hammer. Who knows, maybe the guy plate's moving on this one too. So, I'm already thinking of a list of upgrades. So don't even worry about it. There was a feller 3 years ago at Duct Tape Drags when this second variation of this motor, so this cam, aluminum heads, but flat tops that ate a valve I showed you earlier. This motor, with how I had it set up and the headers that were on it, it made a potato noise really good. And there was I call him Crazy Hillbilly, but I'm a Crazy Hillbilly. Dude wearing overalls, I forget his name. He was an epic dude, drank cold beers with them that night, but they found out my name. And they're like, we need to talk to Code Man, like, we have questions for him and stuff. And that got back around to me because, you know, I was like, hey man, how you doing? And he just kind of looks at me, he's like, dude, I have one thing to say. And he just hops up and down. He's like, potato, 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 potato. It was the funniest shit. So, this is known as the potato stick. And I hope it's okay. Oh, and paper towels. From my awesome paper towel holder. Because that's about what's good for it. You gotta start from the center out, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know, I don't care. Hey, now it's leaking water. This side of the block doesn't have a hole in it, I guess. Just a minute. I don't want to make a giant mess. Little mess is fine. Oh, I lied a second. Oh man. Yep. I don't know. We'll see what this side has in store for us. Probably nothing good. More than likely, more of the same. There you go. Give me the washer. Let's see here. Okay. See what's under head number 2, shall we? Oh my God. Well, I'm glad it died and didn't keep crushing this crap up. There was water everywhere and horrible rust. Like, oh my goodness. Okay. That is more bad stuff. We'll get you off of there. Give me just a minute. Okay, we're back on this side of the motor. Piston, piston, piston. No piston. No piston. Literally exploded like a freaking grenade. You see all that crap? Then we jump over here and we go piston. Oh, parts of other piston. Piston. Oh, parts of other piston. Piston. This cylinder still has water that went everywhere throughout the motor. Piston. The motor sat for a couple days. Or probably like a week. But water everywhere. My goodness sakes. Like, let's take a look. Huh? That one's all there? That one's all there? Let's turn the light on, shall we? We can see. Engine oil, water. Great. Yep. That one grabbed too. See the drag marks? That one didn't. Well, that one's got some drag. Yeah, you can see where they glued. I mean, shit. That's what happens when you get them hot. I should have pulled it apart. I am a dummy. Yeah. Yep. So that's what that looks like. Now I'm very concerned about these lifters. So I'm going to pull them out in order and try to clean them as I pull them out. So that's going to take a minute. I'll do that off camera because fascinating. All right. Footage. New day. More problems. More everything. What's up? Anywho, last night I left off, kind of tore her apart and everything. This afternoon I went ahead and organized the lifters and stuff and pulled the cam out of it and stupid little accessory stuff off of it. So let's switch you guys around and you'll see what I mean. All right. We're back. So, let me grab an impact, we'll bust some bolts out. Sorry about that. My tools are a mess. Alright guys, moment of truth. What's it look like? I haven't seen it yet. Oh, it's a confetti! Man, that's sick. Ooh, man. Oh, look, here's the oil ring. There's more oil ring in the piston. Yeah. I would consider doing that. Yeah, let me see if I can get you out of here. Yeah, because they are a forged I-beam. I think they're scats. I don't know. Good ARP hardware in them, you know. So, but yeah. Look at that carnage, huh? Yep. She bent. I mean, this other rod doesn't look terrible. But I know if it's slung around, I mean, chunks of piston are literally wedged, you know, between the rods and the block. That's not supposed to be like that. Oh, look. It broke my oil pump collar. I was wondering why the shaft fell out. Or is the shaft broken? No, it just broke the collar and slid down. Because when I turned it over, the oil pump shaft just fell out of it. So, it's not broken. That was just some crap on the end. And then the collar's all the way down there. Man, that's crazy. Or something. I gotta take it apart and see what happened there. But that collar's not in the right spot anymore. So, yep. There she is. I'm gonna tear off the mains and stuff and just more boring wrenching. So, well, I say mains, but gotta do the oil pump and factory windage tray crap first. That seems to be all bent. I wonder why it's bent. Interesting. Ouch. Alright guys. Well, I tore the motor down and everything, and I thought you guys were watching, but I didn't hit play or something. So anyway, I got it all tore down. Got bench full of everything. Custom Summit brand rod that Scat made. They're pretty strong. It didn't crack or break, it just bent. Which from, I think it was this chunk was locked between two rods in the motor. That's why the motor locked up and stopped. So, yep, that guy. And the cam, I think I showed you guys that. The little wear, I hope I can polish that back out. It may not, I might have to buy another cam. But that concludes, there we go. That concludes the 2-bolt main. Rest in pieces, or under a piece of glass for a coffee table. I don't know. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.